So here's the next practice from the Zen Power Mastery Guidebook, Abundance and Prosperity. The title is The Flow of Gratitude. The purpose: activate abundance by acknowledging what is already present. How? Pause for a moment and name 3 things that are working in your life, and then feel or express genuine appreciation and gratitude for each one. Do that for all 3 individually. And then breathe deeply and let that feeling of appreciation expand through your body. Gratitude transforms energy faster than effort. Feel it fully, and life begins to mirror that vibration. You can find more in the Zen Power Mastery Guidebook, Abundance and Prosperity by Dale Allman, now available on Amazon.